Seems like it. William Saleko has won against Samke. What is going on here? I really feel sorry for Samke. It seems like this is the best solution for Samke to be officially welcome as the wife number 5. So anyway, guys, let's get to start of today. You know the rest of the hustle. Sanbalani Pizan Wasele. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Wednesday, happy 26. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. So anyway, guys, do you still remember on Utando's temple, guys? Umusanseleko told Samke to stop posting things that made his wives feel some type of way. You know, she didn't listen. Now she has to make her account private. So, guys, it seems like Samke, she has now deactivated her account. It was alleged that Ma Khumalo, she was the one who was complaining to say Samke the things that she's posting. Musamseleka should tell her to stop posting whatever she's posting. Like one say that all his wives, if they accept Osamke, they can go ahead and marry her, guys. Some people are saying, she didn't post anything to do with the other wives. So all she ever did, it was to share her and her child. Whatever else she posted, people decided to be Abo Cinderella and the shoes fit. She was throwing shade. So some people are saying, you know what, she calls them a monitoring spirit. Some are saying this wife really out here fighting battles on social media while the show is still airing the drama wife number 5. So people are saying whatever they are doing to Samke, it is totally unfair. Hopefully they get along, guys, and they welcome Samke, guys. And maybe she went on to Musamsalak and say, okay, I'm ready to accept your wife number 5, but she needs to leave Instagram. And you can see Samke uyamthanda kumfana. She's willing to do anything. And some people are saying these are the results for dating an old man. So if you want to be free, Samke, get out of that situation. But because she's already in that situation and she doesn't want to go anywhere, guys, we are gonna go to Samke because she's here to leave Lana Komseleko, guys. She's not going anywhere. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Tell me a conversation what I think about this stage. And don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself.